Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to take a look at variables. So in JavaScript, there are three types of variables that we can use. The first one is var, V-A-R, and var is the most common variable in JavaScript. Now, var can be reassigned but only accessed within a function. Again, variables defined with var move to the top when the code is executed. Now, the second type of variable we can use in JavaScript is const, which stands for constant. Now, const cannot be reassigned and not accessible before they appear within the code. Again, const is used to store values that do not change. For example, the value of pi. Then, the third type of variable in JavaScript is let. Now, let is similar to const. However, let variable can be reassigned but not redeclared. So now that we've seen the three types of variables in JavaScript, let's go to our code editor and see how to declare variables. So to declare a variable, basically we can use the three keywords we just learned about. We can either use var or const or let, depending on the type of value that the variable is going to store. So let's start with var. So to declare a variable, basically we are going to use the appropriate keyword followed by the name of the variable. So we are going to have the name of the variable to be fname. And then after the name of the variable, we are going to have an assignment operator, which is the equal to sign. Then after the assignment operator, we have the value that we are going to assign to the variable. Then we end it with a semicolon. So let's call this John Doe and save this. So we have just declared a variable with the var keyword. The name of the variable is fname and it has the value of John Doe. Again, we can have a variable called pi. So it's going to be a constant. So const, and the name is going to be pi. Let's give it the value of 3.142 and it was a semicolon. Save this. And then we can even have a variable called let, which is going to have the name of age. And we are going to assign it the value of 23 years. And let's end this also with a semicolon and save our work. So basically this is how we declare variables, and that is going to be all for this video. And if you enjoy these kinds of videos, I urge you to click on the subscribe button because it encourages me to create more of these kinds of videos. And if you have any questions at all concerning anything I said in this video, do feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Bye for now.